Shemai guys, and welcome to WWScenics. My name is Martin and I'm going to show you how to weather MDF bridges coming up after this. Right, okay, so weathering MDF bridges, yeah. We've got a selection of MDF bridges, yeah, from N Gauge, OO gauge, and I believe we're going to have some O gauge ones coming out soon, and a lot more different ones, okay. We're going to use the weathering powders that we've got, WWS Weathering Powders, yeah, and I'm going to use an N Gauge Bridge, right, and these two have already been painted, yeah, in our Battleship Grey and our Red Oxide, yeah, and I got a natural one there as well, okay. These are sealed, great, happy days, job done, finished, we can go straight on top of that, right, and it's a simple process, okay. The tools that we need is obviously WWS's Weathering Powders, yeah, there's some in there that we might not use, like the Desert Yellow, we might. I use isopropylene, a little pot of isopropylene to put it on there because it dries quicker. Yeah, you can use water if you want to. Use a brush and a palette, yeah, just to if I want to mix a colour or something like that, I put it onto there. Or make sure I take the, I haven't got too much on there, take it off. And a pencil. And the pencil will come appropriate when I show. So, with glasses, let's get straight into it. Right, okay, so get your brush, isopropylene, like I said, and then this is our deep rust, okay. A little bit of isopropylene on there. See that? I just like to get a palette going, so you're not keeping dipping into there, you've got to come from there. And then all you're doing then is just piling on the rust. I'm going to go quite heavy on this. Yeah, you guys don't have to. What I'm going to try and do is build up texture on it as well with the powder. I'm going to have to go back into that. So we've got not just the colour, but we've got, whenever this thing starts to rust, you've got that bumpiness. Yeah, Josh? Yeah, bumpiness, that's what we're talking about. I mean, the corrosion of it, of rust as well, so I'm going to try and get that texture. You might not be able to see it on the screen, but Josh doesn't mind, so Josh can confirm it, right? Okay, so there's a bit of texture going on there. So it's still got stuff on the brush, so what I'm going to do is start. Actually, if you've got some areas gone too thick, just pinky, turn it down a bit so you need to. Add into it. I'm going to go quite heavy rust on this just to show, because obviously I need to show it on the camera. I'm not sure if I do a small amount, so I'll do heavy on one side so we can see the effect. Another one that you can do then as well is dip it into there, dip it into there. Okay, and if you want speckling, yeah, it's just flick it with your brush, your finger. Again, wet it up, dip it in, and flick. Gives you that speckling effect. I'm not sure whether you guys are going to be able to see it, but we'll do our best. But I can see specks onto it. So we've got sort of brushed and heavy there, and then we've got sort of light speckling rust on this side. And we can change colours on it as well if we wanted to. So let's get some bit more. That's a good speck. That was a good effect. And Josh, I'm going to come up, maybe that's probably the best camera there. Oh no, I'm being told this one there. Okay, hopefully I'm going to be able to see that. Okay, bit of speckling. And that's just literally flicking the top of the brush onto the desired area they want to. So and I change. Look, I've actually squirted all over there, as you can see the speckle under there. So a bit of light rust as well now, just to lighten up and blend in a bit. Okay, so give it a good swirl. I think Josh can pass me some blue roll behind you somewhere. Oh, actually, I think we may have fine. But no, it's a bit clean. Yeah. Oh, look at that! I asked you for one, and look at that. Yeah, one. You know, a bit of blue roll. He gives me one. I like that idea. Well done, Josh. Saving the company money there. That's good. Good. Okay, just to clean it off. That's all we do in it, and then we can get the palette going again. Mix it in. Okay. So what we're doing is just going to blend it back a bit to a different colour. Okay. That bit, and I'm going to add a little bit of this to our copper oxide. Yeah, a little bit of green. Again, we're only going to be a small amount of it here, so get a brush, clear off. Sometimes you think that it's not going on, yeah, but you have to wait for it to dry, because it does go on. Like that area is dried over there, and I show you that. You see it's quite heavy, that green, so I'm just going to take it off. I raised eyebrows by Josh, so it's going to be good. He's the biggest critic, yeah. And it just, you know, now we can start seeing it start to become metally. Right, okay, so I mean, I've done a lot of weathering tips. You know, I mean, I did them on the track and stuff. So this is just like an MDF stuff I've done. Yeah, I can see the green is just brush that back a bit. Yeah, where that heavy end that I did, the heavy end that I did there, you know, I mean, that's quite smart. So what I like to do now as well, I'm going to say, like, okay, I'm happy with that. I'm not sure if this is going to come out on camera, right? But trust me, this does work really well. Right? I know the military guys, military models don't do a lot of it, and that's where I come from. I'm doing it. Pencil, okay? And all you're doing is picking your edge up, okay? Because this one then make it look metally, yeah? Because of the pencil. Yeah, work on picks up that edge. All we're doing is just picking up that detail, that edge, yeah. And then there's a bit I want to shine up a bit more. Because it goes shiny, it sort of finishes it off. You can go over it like that. Don't worry about it. Yeah, that's it, Josh. We're just highlighting the edges, which you'll see the edge is normally shiny anyway, you know what I mean? So it brings it out. But again, I don't know whether the camera's going to pick it up. We'll have a go. But try it, you know what I mean? Have a go, look at it. It does literally, you're not going to lose anything. It'll make it look, yeah, for me, it transforms it. It just highlights that edge. And finishes it off lovely, especially if we've got weathering. You know what I mean? When you put weathering on it, you want that edge to it. Otherwise, it just blends in, and it just looks, to me, just doesn't look right. You know what I mean? Finished. That's the word, finished. Josh, I doubt it. Maybe Josh can turn that around. If you might have to bring it closer to yourself, Josh, if you can. Yes, no. Yeah. Close to that one. No. Yeah, can you see it? Can you see it sort of glinting and... No? Yes? He's smiling. Yes, there. So just sort of finishes it off a little bit. You know what I mean? I haven't gone too heavy. I've gone heavier this side. I can see that green. Just want to, all you need is little bits of that green, right? Because it sort of, it does stand out. Yeah, and it's quite hard to see because obviously the painted, or kind of, but that is, I would say that is quite, you know what I mean, weathered quite nicely, to be honest. Yeah, I'll finish this off, you know what I mean, off camera, and then I'll use it on a future model, and I can tell you guys will know then that I've done it. But you know what I mean, don't be afraid to use weathering powders, right? They are really forgiving. I mean, some of the guys that have used it already, I'm pretty sure you're going to comment to say, yeah, they're great, or if any to say pants, I'll remove the comment. No, I wasn't joking. Yeah, so yeah, that's a simple little, small little video, you know what I mean, to come back into the swing of things. Yeah, I've covered my nice new brown paper in weathering powders by flicking it. There's lots of techniques that you can use. MDF is great. Yeah, especially this is sealed as well. Now we can leave it like that if you want to now, because obviously you're not gonna this is not gonna be movable, but we can seal it. Yeah, and early part next year we are bringing out weathering powder sealing. So as soon as I've done that, I'll use this model and we'll seal it up. So it's job done. It's all finished then, and you can clean it and dust it down and stuff like that. But yeah, I think that's pretty good, Josh. Yeah, like a thing. So yeah, so great. There we go. Okay, so there it is. Yeah, you get the gist. Yeah, I only did one side, so you can quickly see how we do it. Yeah. Just remember the techniques that I did with flicking it on or brushing it on and using the pencil to highlight the edges. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, yeah, hit that like button, share it around, and obviously subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you very much for watching. All the best. Bye bye.